Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to our coffee shop. Good morning. Welcome to our coffee shop.
I would like a coffee, please. I would like a coffee, please.
What size would you like? What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Would you like regular or decaf? Would you like regular or decaf?
Regular, please.
Would you like anything else? Would you like anything else?
Yes, a donut.
We have chocolate and glazed donuts today. We have chocolate and glazed donuts today.
Chocolate, please.
That will be $7.50. That will be $7.50.
Here is $10.
Thank you. Here is your change. Thank you. Here is your change.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where is the sugar? Where is the sugar?
The sugar is on the counter by the door. The sugar is on the counter by the door.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your coffee and donut. Enjoy your coffee and donut.
Have a nice day.
You too. Come back soon.
I will.
Great. See you next time. Great. See you next time. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. What brings you in today? Good morning. What brings you in today?
I don't feel well. I don't feel well.
What symptoms are you having? What symptoms are you having?
I have a fever and cough. I have a fever and cough.
How long have you had these symptoms? How long have you had these symptoms?
3 days now.
Let me check your temperature. Let me check your temperature.
Is it high?
Yes, 101 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes, 101 degrees Fahrenheit.
That's not good.
I'll need to examine your throat. I'll need to examine your throat.
Will this hurt? Will this hurt?
No, it won't hurt. Please say ah. No, it won't hurt. Please say ah.
Do I need medicine? Do I need medicine?
Yes, I'll prescribe an antibiotic. Yes, I'll prescribe an antibiotic.
How often do I take it? How often do I take it?
Take it twice daily for 10 days. Take it twice daily for 10 days.
Should I rest? Should I rest?
Yes, rest and drink plenty of fluids. Yes, rest and drink plenty of fluids.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Feel better soon. You're welcome. Feel better soon.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Call if you feel worse. Goodbye. Call if you feel worse. Good afternoon, officer.
Good afternoon. License and registration, please. Good afternoon. License and registration, please.
Here they are.
Do you know why I stopped you? Do you know why I stopped you?
No, I don't know.
You were speeding. The limit is 35 miles per hour. You were speeding. The limit is 35 miles per hour.
I'm sorry, officer.
I clocked you at 48 miles per hour. I clocked you at 48 miles per hour.
I didn't see the speed limit sign. I didn't see the speed limit sign.
It's posted back there. It's posted back there.
I apologize.
Have you been drinking today? Have you been drinking today?
No, sir.
Where are you headed? Where are you headed?
I'm going to work. I'm going to work.
Okay. Please wait here. Okay. Please wait here.
Is there a problem? Is there a problem?
No, I'm just checking your information. No, I'm just checking your information.
How long will it take? How long will it take?
Just a few minutes. I'm giving you a warning today. Drive slower. I'm giving you a warning today. Drive slower.
I understand.
Drive safely and have a good day. Drive safely and have a good day.
Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you? Good morning. How can I help you?
I need to mail this package. I need to mail this package.
Where is it going? Where is it going?
To New York.
Would you like to send it priority or standard? Would you like to send it priority or standard?
What's the difference? What's the difference?
Priority is faster but costs more. Priority is faster but costs more.
How long is standard? How long is standard?
About 3 to 5 business days. About 3 to 5 business days.
I'll take standard, please. I'll take standard, please.
That will be $8.75. That will be $8.75.
Can I track it? Can I track it?
Yes, here's your tracking number. Yes, here's your tracking number.
Thank you. I need stamps too. Thank you. I need stamps too.
How many stamps would you like? How many stamps would you like?
A book of stamps, please. A book of stamps, please.
That's $11.60 more. That's $11.60 more.
Here's $20.
Here's your change. Here's your change.
When does mail go out today? When does mail go out today?
The last pickup is at 5 p.m. The last pickup is at 5 p.m.
Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day. You're welcome. Have a nice day.